Hello class, today you are going to paint in Photoshop. So first go to File, open a new document and call this, for example, painting or whatever you want to, it's sunset, and width is 11 and height is 8.5 and both are in inches, and background color is transparent. It's like A4. You create this one, and now go to your lasso tool and it looks like the rock, and go around and select this part. Now you can go to paint bucket tool and make sure the foreground color is black. So switch, make it black, or double click here and select black. Black code is 600000, and press OK and dump it here, and you have the background. And now create a new layer. On your new layer, go to rectangular marquee tool, Ctrl D to deselect, because right now this area is selected, or you can go to select and deselect. Rectangular marquee tool on your layer and select a rectangle like this here. And then go to your gradient tool. In paint bucket you have gradient, and on top you can change your gradient. You can double click on here and select the color. Sunset is usually orange. From dark to light, you can press OK. You can add this like this, or you can remove. If you click on one of these sliders, you can remove this, delete. But I don't want to do that. Control Z. I want this like this. And go from down to up. And then you remove this layer on the bottom. And I think it's not enough again. Make it shorter or shorter. Okay. Until you get to your desired gradient, and then go to and create another layer here. This is a new layer, and again on your gradient, this time go from up to down. Oh, Control Z, I was in wrong layer. The reason that this happened because this area is selected. So select display or Control D, and this time I'm going to select the entire screen and then use gradient tool. If you hold shift down, it's going to be completely perpendicular like this. Move this layer up so you have both like this. Control D to deselect. And I want to add some grasses here, some grass here. So create another new layer. This layer, and then go to brush tool and select, we have option of grass. I'm going to decrease the size. You can change the size as okay. I add more grass here. Okay. Now you want to add sun. I want to add sun. So create a new layer. Go to rectangle marquee, select ellipse. This time, if you hold shift down, it's going to be a complete circle. If you don't hold shift, it's going to be oval. But with holding shift, you create a circle. And you can this time either use bucket tool or go to brush tool. Select another brush and make sure the foreground color sun is usually light, very light, like this, and use brush tool to paint it. And if it is not in right place, you go to move tool, move it down. And now if you want, you need to bring this layer on top to cover that. And there's the grasses. The grasses are here, so I move grasses on top too. This is how you have it. Control D to deselect, so you see what you made so far. And I want to add a tree. I want to add a palm tree. You can go to Google, because I already, let's go do it from scratch. Palm tree, palm tree. Search it and go to image. Preferably, it's better that to have PNG. PNG means transparent background. If you can find, you can see some of them are transparent. You can save image as. Sometimes this is JPEG. It doesn't matter. It's okay. I'm going to save it, image palm tree. I have it. So let's go to Photoshop again. Go to File, Open. This is in download. Palm tree. Okay, this is not right format. So you do it again until you get the right format. I go to select this one. Save image as. Oh, This is PNG. I'm lucky. Um, okay, Pond 3 PNG. And then go to Photoshop, open this one. Okay, you can move this to the other layer. So go to Move tool, select it, drag it, go up and move it here. It's too big. You know what to do. Go to File, Edit, Free Transform or Control T and hold Shift down and change the size like this and press any key to apply it. But the thing is that I want to flip my tree to the other side. So while you are on this, go to Edit. Under Free Transform, you have Transform. And then select Flip Horizontal. It's going to be look like this. And you can add some bird, same way that I said. If you want to make it darker, like if it is not black or dark, you always can go, for example, I'm going to show you here. You can go to File, to Image, Adjustment, and Brightness, and decrease the brightness or play with this to have your desired color. Good luck. Make any landscape that you want with the skills that you learn and post it in class. Thank you. Enjoy.